My dear little ones, welcome to computer science class. Our today's topic is computer etiquette. Do you know how to handle and operate a computer? Now let us learn the correct way to turn on a computer to work on it. Okay?
Step 1. Switch on the power switch. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the system unit or CPU. Step 4. Switch on the monitor. Once the computer is on, you will see the following screen. It is called desktop. You can see small pictures on it. They are called icons. You can also see the start button at the bottom left corner of the desktop.
When you have finished your work on the computer, you can switch it off as shown in the following steps.
Step 1. With the help of the mouse, click on the start button on the desktop screen. Step 2. Click on the power button and then click on the shutdown option in the start menu. Step 3. Switch off the monitor by pressing the power button on it. Step 4. Switch off the UPS. Step 5. Switch off the power switch. Do not eat or drink near the computer system. Keep your fingers, pencils off the screen. Sit at your assigned seat only. Leave the computer as it was when you entered the lab. Do not fight with your computer partner. Always cover the computer when not in use. This will keep the dust away from the computer system. Press the keys of the computer keyboard gently. Pressing the keys hard may damage them. Always use the mouse pad. It keeps the mouse to work properly. Do not sit close to the monitor. It may cause stress to your eyes. Keep 1 arm distance between yourself and the monitor. Always keep your back straight. Always clean your computer with a soft and dry cloth. Do not play with the wires attached to the computer. How do you switch on a computer? Step 1. Switch on the power switch. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the CPU. Step 4. Switch on the monitor. How do you switch off a computer? Step 1. Click on the start button. Step 2. Click on the power button and then the shutdown option. Step 3. Switch off the monitor. Step 4. Switch off the UPS. Step 5. Switch off the power switch. Fill in the blanks. Desktop is the main screen area that you see when you turn on your computer. We switch on the CPU by pressing the power button. Always keep the computer room neat and tidy. Do not play with the wires attached to the computer. Click on the power button to turn off the computer.
I hope you understand this. So all of you write these notes in your computer notebook. Read and learn it. Okay? Thank you.